Let's put this way oversized RTX 3060 into this HP Pavilion gaming desktop. Begun unboxing this 3060, and my god, it is gorgeous already. This 3060 is absolutely gorgeous. This thing is much bigger than I thought it would be. It's a good looking card. Now I think it's time to try to wedge that into that little computer. It's gonna be a tight fit and probably have to cut the case. Oh well. I am now opening up the computer. I'm gonna pull the hard drive out. I'm gonna pull the old RX 5500 out, and after looking at it, I think what's most likely gonna happen, I'm gonna grab a pair of tin snips. I'm gonna pull this front cover off. Alright, upon further inspection, whenever we go to wedge the card in, unsurprisingly, it does not have enough room to fit whatsoever, but that is perfectly okay, because we are going to take this pair of tin snips right here. We're just going to cut the metal where we need, because it's pretty much a big pair of metal scissors. It should work just fine. You can get these really cheap at any hardware store. And as you can see, the lovely tin snips do not have a problem cutting through this metal. Alright, well, don't forget to unscrew and move these antenna wires out of the way, because that would really suck to cut through while cutting all the way down on this motherboard. That was extremely brutal to do, to cut out with the tin snips. But now I got a clear section for our graphics card to fit. Excellent. Just need to be careful because those edges are extraordinarily sharp. Or deburr it with the screwdriver here in a sec, just help it out. Yes, that is a GeForce RTX 3060 triple fan inside of a HP Pavilion gaming desktop. Let's go ahead and plug this 8-pin in. Ooh, it barely reaches. Let me undo some zip ties down there. Alright, I'll go ahead and put the hard drive back in and just test fire it, see if it turns on, get the driver installed, play some games, and I'm going to try to see how I can get the front side panel to go back on. On a side note, I did get the front cover to go back on. The side cover does fit, but I'm leaving it off for now because thermals are not very good, because airflow is not very well in this case. Also makes the video editing experience absolutely wonderful. It handles great. That is beautiful.